Hi there. You're watching Brain Shatter. That's juicy.
Introducing Wyatt, the volcanic scientist.
And Carlos, the fish!
Always with you.
Yes, always with me.
Gosh.
Fishy. Okay, what are we doing today, Wyatt?
We're going to make this thing explode.
Okay, let's make it explode. All right, do you know what you're doing?
Yes.
What are you doing? Okay, take the red one. We already made these little cakes. What did we make the cakes out of?
We made them out of citric acid
Yes.
and then sodium bicarbonate.
Bicarbonate, yes.
And then lava flow.
No, the lava flow goes in the water. We have that set to the side.
Right. Because we already did it.
Yes.
We already did all this to make these crystal thing.
Yes.
Pods. Whatever. Can I pour it?
Okay, so you're got it in the hole?
I got it in this hole.
Okay. Pour the solution in.
Oh.
Ah.
Now crumple this.
Now take the yellow one and crumple it up. This one's going to be treated a little bit differently. Try and keep it in the volcano crater, in the caldera of the volcano. Yes. Okay.
Is that good?
That's good. Now go ahead and grab another liquid solution. So the solution is 15 cc's of water and 8 drops of lava foam.
Lava. Oh, this one's puffing. It's doing something. It's puffing.
I'm going to eat it.
No, you won't.
Yes, I'm going to eat it.
Look, it's sinking into this, making orange.
It's making orange.
And then it's going to pour into this.
Orange
and then,
foam.
And then probably overflow.
Oh,
Oh, look, they're both puffy.
yes.
Oh, he's coming out. Oh, they're almost about to come out the pouring.
That's what they said about me.
Not about you.
Yes.
It's about this.
They said he's about to come out.
Come on. What is it? Why are these things puffing?
I don't know.
It says
It's
on
a
the
chemical reaction.
Wow, there's dark spots on there.
Okay, so we tried a third cake. To
Right.
add the color, we use
We're
drops
going to do it
of
in
food
this
coloring.
one. Hold on, it's still got to do its thing to get down. Oh, it's working its way through this spout.
What you could do is go ahead and stop. Why don't you put the blue in with the yellow?
No, I'm going to put in this.
I don't think that will work very well.
Okay.
Drop it in and then add the liquid.
And then add some.
Here it comes. Boom, boom, boom.
Oh, it's expanding. It's just blown.
It's alive.
It's lava. It's pouring down. What are you doing? Oh my gosh.
Ah!
Oh, it's expanding.
Ah! I got it on me. It burns. It burns. No, it doesn't.
It's getting into the red. Oh my gosh, it's going to blow.
It's gonna blow.
It's coming out this side. Get it back.
Keep it on the table.
Oh, it's coming back.
It's overflowing all over the place.
Should I make another one right now? What?
Yeah, we can make another one.
Yes! I'm gonna start making the other one. Okay.
Okay, so it's
There.
2 scoops of 2 scoops of sodium bicarbonate and 1 scoop of citric acid. And and 2 drippy drops of a certain kind of color.
Which cup am I going to pour it into with, and then add the?
I have no, because that will cause a reaction. You need a clean one. Hold on 1 second. Mom!
I need a clean one coming up.
Mom!
What do you need?
He needs a clean cup that is dry, that is not going to cause a chemical boom boom. Boom boom. There you go. Okay, what is that? Citric?
That's sodium.
Oh, okay, so 2 of those. And 1 citric acid.
Citric acid's hard.
Yes, there you go. You need that.
But
Stick for
which?
stirring.
I'm gonna do the green this time.
Don't do no. Use the red or the yellow. No, the one that comes with the kit. That gel food coloring doesn't work.
Yellow, red.
Yeah, look at that. It kind of does, but not as well as the red and the yellow. So, 2 drops.
How do you get this one?
Drip, drip, drip. Nope. Okay, start stirring like a maniac. That was 3.
It's
Stir.
it's going to make it blood red.
Oh, it's going to make it start activating. It's too much liquid.
Well, not if I stir. Oh, it's red. It's
So
turning.
as you can see,
red.
this is the Place Volcanic Eruption and Lava Lab.
It's pink. It's actually red. It's still red.
Okay, so use this. Scrape it in. Pack it in.
Hold on, let me pack that in. I think I can actually make 2 more. I'm gonna pour the rest of it into this.
Okay.
Try and see.
You should just put it right in with the red. Look at the red side of the volcano.
Yeah, I know.
It's gone very flat.
Yeah, I know. So I am going to put it in that. So let's set those for a little bit.
I like your goggles, by the way. I like them very much.
Are you going to make me live with them?
Yes. No, put them down.
No.
Oh!
No.
Put them on.
You're hurting my nose. Your nose is this.
I don't have a nose.
Yes, it's your corn.
No, my corn doesn't smell for me. Which is a good thing, considering I live in the septic tank. I don't want to know what the rock is cooking.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah. Okay,
Why don't you?
get them in.
But they're still.
They're fine.
Okay.
Put them in the volcano. It's fine. In the volcano. Bloop. Do the other one.
Hurry up.
Hurry up.
Hurry up, hurry up, hurry up.
Pop, 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 pop. There you go. Now give it the liquid.
Put it in the liquid.
Put the liquid in.
It's an overflow again.
It's
It
a
goes.
lie. Goggles down for safety.
First. Oh, it spilled on the table.
Oh, spilt on me too.
You
I
doesn't-
still got it on my proboscis. Can you say proboscis?
Oh,
Yes, I knew you
it's
could.
over leaking.
Yay!
Volcano.
Volcano.
Aww. What are we using this for anyway?
I don't know. This has several different kits, so I think that's for something else. So maybe we'll do another video. Keep your tweezers away from me. My corn is my corn. Not what. Only thing you're going to get is teeth.
I'm trying to examine you.
No. Examine someone else, Buster. Okay. Well, I think this is about it. I don't think it's going to do anything more big booms.
What's happening? It's over leaking again. Look, this puffy.
What's it smell like, Wyatt?
Nothing. That's rainbow right here.
Rainbow lava
Oh!
slamming on the table.
Maybe we shouldn't have gone down the table.
Eh?
I want to make another one for this one.
No, I think that's good for tonight.
No, so it just explodes even more.
No, I think that's good
I
for
like
tonight.
it exploding.
I think that's good for tonight. Okay, so this was Wyatt, the volcanic scientist.
Volcanic
And Carlos,
scientist!
the fish! And we will see you with the next experiment next time. Bye-bye.
Signing off. Signing off.
Signing off.
Bet you won't touch that button. Check it out.